Okay, I'm going to show you how to draw a bearing of 130 degrees. Remember, the three things you need to remember about bearings are it goes from north, it goes clockwise, and it's always got 3 digits, as you can see there. So first off, start off with a north line. Now if you want to at this point, you can type the word north and we'll put it next to the line so you can see which direction it's in. If you want to save a bit of time, you can just write N. Okay, you then take your protractor. Now I'm going to use a half protractor for this one. Make it to an appropriate size so you can read off the values. We'll zoom in on that in a bit. Make sure the cross is on the point you started with, so it's a little out of line. Turn it round so that 0 is on your north line. Nudge it into place. Okay, and then start with 0. For instance, we're going to go around the outside track of this. So we go around to see 113. Put yourself a little mark, perhaps there in pen. Move the protractor away. And then draw yourself a nice straight line going from the centre point you started with through the done you've just drawn, and that should be a nice bearing of 130 degrees. Sometimes it's a little more difficult when the bearing is bigger than 180 degrees, especially if you've got a protractor shape like that. The best thing you can do is do a little bit of calculation. You can say, well, half a turn is 180 degrees. So what have I got to add on to the 180 degrees to make the 255? And so you're looking for, of course, 75. You can do the sum down if you want there. So we put the point on like we would before. This time, turn it round so 0 is on the bottom. Now we now move it into place a little bit. Now we know 0 be straight down, so that's a bearing of 180. So we've got to go 255, so I've got to go around the outside track again till I get to 75, which is here. Move my protractor off again, and again another straight line going from the centre there through that point. Of course, this is a lot easier if you've got a protractor that goes all the way around. Sometimes you won't always have that, but a bit of luck.